Today we're going to show you a 3D printed greenhouse for my HO train scale layout. This is the finished product and we'll show you how to put it together. HO scale greenhouse that is on my Sanborn, New York train layout. It actually represents my brother's greenhouse on the farm that I grew up on. The assembly will be quite easy. We'll just have to glue the parts together in the easiest order. The highlighted base is the first part that we will be gluing. You'll want then to select one of the end walls and glue it to one of the ends. This will allow easy alignment of the side walls, which I've highlighted, to each side, and then another end panel would be glued on the end. After that is all in place, all we have left to do is to glue the two roof panels on, which you can see there's one of them, there's the other one, and just be careful at the ridge so they're lined up so they don't overlap to make a nice part. The final part, which is actually the benches, doesn't need to be assembled to the greenhouse. It is ready for decorating with static grass or flowers or something else to make it look really pretty. I have two of these little greenhouses that my wife decorated on the Sanborn train board. Here you will see the finished product all glued up, the bench ready for decoration, and here's a finished one on the train layout. I hope you enjoyed the video. The files will be put up on Thingiverse and I will put the link below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Can't wait to see you next time. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.